to World Trade Organization's Agreement on Intellectual Property Rights, which is called the Trade-Related Intellectual Property Rights, the TRIPS Agreement. Sri Lanka signed this in 2003, and by 2006 it was compulsory for Sri Lanka to formulate its intellectual property rights to comply with the TRIPS Agreement, and also to provide legal protection for intellectual properties. It includes new plant varieties and farmers' traditional knowledge. And the Act provides two types of protection methods for new plant varieties, namely patents and sui generis systems. So the country could adopt both or either one of them. Although Sri Lanka passed its Intellectual Property Rights Act in 2003, to comply with the TRIPS Agreement, it does not provide any protection for new plant varieties. Due to the inability of providing necessary protection, the Sri Lankan agriculture sector has to face several difficulties in international trade, and also it has lost several opportunities to use its own plant varieties for the benefits of the future generation. And also several cases of biopiracy and loss of patentability was also recorded due to inability of new protection methods for the new plant varieties. So the objective of this study was to identify the best suitable protection method for new plant varieties and also for farmers' traditional knowledge. Basically this focusing on seed paddy sector in Sri Lanka. And also to propose feasible techniques and methods to enhance productivity and investment in the agricultural sector by implementing strong intellectual property rights. To achieve the said objectives, the study used a comprehensive literature survey, KIIs, key information interviews, and perception survey amongst the selected stakeholders, and also focus group discussions and an expert consultation. The study identified several issues in protecting new plant varieties and farmers' traditional knowledge faced by Sri Lankan plant breeders, such as lack of plant breeders' interest in new innovation, no legal framework to get ownership, and also lack of incentives for plant breeders, no reward system, etc. And also in terms of farmers' traditional knowledge, we still do not have any documents or a registry like India or Thailand. The study also found that considering country's economy, agriculture pattern, farming system and the existing intellectual property laws, the sui generis system is the most appropriate method to protect new plant varieties in Sri Lanka. And also the study identified the importance of a separate institute to monitor, document and existing knowledge of farmers, need of a separate committee to protect farmers' traditional knowledge. Furthermore, the importance of implementing the draft law on Protection of New Plant Varieties Act was also highlighted.